Good evening, students. Today we are starting with class 6th ASL, Unit 4, Here and There. We are doing the exercise of listening activity, listening exercise. Sunil and his parents are discussing their travel plans. Listen to their discussion. Mark the statements with yes or no. As you listen, read the statement before you listen. If you are having your ASL dialogue book of class 6, so you can read all the statements in which you have to mark with yes or no. Okay, so I am reading out the conversation for you. You will be listening to the conversation twice, then only you will be marking your answer. Now listen to the conversation. Father, we will reach Bangalore on Monday. We need 3 days in Bangalore for sightseeing and shopping. After that, we are free for 2 days. What would you like to do on those 2 days? Stay in Bangalore or visit other places nearby? Sunil, let's go to some other place. Mother, I would rather return to Pune, but I know we can't. Our tickets are booked for Saturday. Now, next phase I am reading. Father, what father says now? Why don't we go to Mysore? Sunil, yes, my friends went to Mysore last year. He saw the place. Mother, we can also go to the famous Brindavan garden. Father, so it is decided then. We will go to Mysore. The next question is, how shall we travel to Mysore? Sunil, how far is it from Bangalore? Father, let me check. About 130 kilometers, not very far. Sunil, are there any trains from Bangalore to Mysore? Father, yes, there are many, but they are generally very crowded. But wait, there is another option, the local buses. There are frequent express buses to Mysore. They are non-stop and they would get us there in no time. Mother, you know, bus journeys don't suit me. I usually get very sick on them. I prefer to travel by train. Father, why don't we go by car? We can hire a taxi from Bangalore. That way, we even have the option of shopping on the way. If there are nice places to see, Mother, that would be good. We can have the car and the driver with us till we return to Bangalore. And if we plan carefully and cut down on unnecessary shopping, we can adjust the taxi charges within our tour budget. Father, all right, it is decided then. Mysore, here we come. So, this is the conversation. You will be listening to the conversation twice, then only you will be attempting the questions below. By the time you can read the question which is given in your ASL dialogue book, Black Swan. Okay, so I will be reading out the question as well for you. So, listen to the questions which are given below. Okay. So, unit 4, we are starting with the question part now, here and there. So, I will be reading out the questions for you. Okay. You have already listened to the conversation. Now, according to the conversation, you have to mark the statements with yes or no. Okay. Now see, Sunil and his parents are discussing their travel plans. As you listen, mark the statement with yes or no. Read the statement before you listen. Now, first statement I am reading for you. Sunil's family will reach Bangalore on Saturday. You have to mark with yes or no. Second statement, they have no other choice but to stay in Bangalore throughout their trip. You have to mark with yes or no in this statement. Third one, mother would have liked to return to Pune. You have to mark yes or no in this statement. Fourth one, they choose to stay in Bangalore. You have to mark yes and no in this statement. Fifth one, the next choice they have to make is about the transport. You have to mark yes and no in this statement. Sixth one, Sunil cannot travel by bus because it makes him sick. You have to mark yes and no in this statement. Seventh one, mother prefers to travel by train. You have to mark yes and no in this statement. And the last one, they decide to travel by bus. You have to mark yes and no in this statement. So listen to the conversation very carefully, then only try to mark the correct answer. Okay? So good luck, do it nicely. Thank you very much.